Woohoo! Wow! Right, power it now. Go! Use your berm. Right along the top. Wow, you've done a jump. That's it. Keep going. You can go fast into this berm. Okay, across the bridge. Okay, fast round the berm. That's it. Okay. Okay, GoPro, stop recording.